Hi, I'm Cassie Young. I am one of your students' teachers, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself today and what we do here at school. So there's some pictures of me. There's a little history about me in case you're curious. And you can access this PowerPoint in the emails that I've sent you as well. So there's my husband and I, that's my brother and I, again, my husband and I, and my best friend and I in Luxembourg, where she lives and plays professional basketball. My pronouns are she, her, hers. My husband is a Monarch teacher, so we have an in-house rivalry, and my family is super important to me. Just a little bit more information about me. That's my family and I in Florida, where my parents like to spend their winters. My pets are also a big part of my life. That's my dog Axel, he's the bulldog, and my husky Lupe, and I also have a really, really sweet kitty. These are the norms that I believe and I'll talk to students about and that you'll hear me saying, especially in our IEP meetings together or other one-on-one meetings. These are what I hope that you bring to the table, and I will too. If you are on my caseload for your IEP, we're gonna hold these via Zoom this year whenever possible. Of course, we will honor in-person requests, but due to COVID, we really want to be sure that these IEPs are done digitally whenever possible. And we will do video and other accommodations as needed, just to let me know. A great way to communicate with me was through that Google form, which you can click right on this, and I can attach this PowerPoint anywhere you might need, but it also was emailed to you at the beginning of the year. I'm also a coach. I coach volleyball and I coach basketball. I coach volleyball and I coach powerlifting here at Papio South. So there's information about volleyball. Powerlifting will start in November. Hopefully we can stay COVID safe until then. I'm really looking forward to trying to go for that state title this year. Best way to contact me. I love email. I always have my email on my phone. So there's my email address, but I also use other platforms as well. So if you're on Team Prometheus, you can join my Remind 101. I send out announcements about team competitions or big upcoming projects. And you can ask me direct questions one-on-one there as well. Same goes for volleyball. We have a one-on-one. We have the big volleyball group, but also the smaller volleyball group that you can contact me within. I love Twitter. I have a lot of Twitter pages too, so follow me on there. And there is the big contact information for you. So if you have any questions, need anything at any time, please contact me. I love answering questions. There's just a little bit more information for you. Overall, I just want you to know I'm here to serve your students. I serve in a variety of spaces. So I do have my own classroom where I like to serve kids, but I'm moving all about the building every day. So I'm so glad to be here at Papio South. I'm so glad to serve your student, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks.